All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course and we're still doing our human emotions detection module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, we went over the process of compiling our model and actually training it. And today, we set up the process of setting up our plots. As you can see here, we have our plt.plots. So this is how we set up our plots for our loss. And then we did the same exact thing for our accuracy, which is right underneath it right here. And then we ran it. I actually ran it just to generate it so I can actually show you the plots real time, so we don't have to because they wouldn't be able to save them without showing you in real time. So actually, this is gonna be the first one here. This is gonna be the loss. Now you notice that we have the training loss and the value loss decreasing almost in the same rate, just about. They're not too far off. They're just about accurate here. So that's gonna be the first plot here. Let me show you that again before I close it out. That's gonna be our PLT loss plot right here. History is loss, value loss, model loss. Our labels are going to be loss and epic. And then we have the train loss and value losses, the legend. As we can notice, the training and the validation losses both drop together. Let me show you that again. So you can see that they are both dropping together. Then we have our legend here, and then we have our labels for loss and then the epic. So this would be our Y label, this would be our X label. And this is our legend, and this is our loss and our training loss and validation loss both dropping together. So that's for the first one. And after I close this, we should get our accuracy model that pops up right after. And there it is. So this is the exact opposite. It's pretty much the same, but the exact opposite. You see here we have our legend here, training accuracy, value accuracy. Then we have our labels, accuracy for the Y label, epic for the X label. And then we have our training and validation accuracy actually increasing together. So as the loss goes down, the accuracy increases. And that's what this plot shows here. So you can see they both increase, and then we saw with the last one, the losses, they both dropped together. So those are our two plots right there. Like I said, I couldn't find a way to actually screen save them or screen hold them for you without actually running them live. So I just decided to go ahead and run them live for you since it wasn't that much effort to do it. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to evaluate our model. It should be popping up now, but I'm not going to, you don't have to stick around and wait for that. It's just the evaluation to let us know how well our test ran or how well our model is done. So that's going to be popping up. Let me see if it's actually done. No, it's not done. It's still here. You can see here. So it's going to take a little bit, 7 minutes. We don't have 7 minutes to give. So we're going to let that run and I'll have it ready for you tomorrow. And then the next thing we're going to do after that is let me uncomment this out. We're going to test out images from our actual data set. And we're going to use this code right here. So we're going to use this test image equals CV2. And the CV2 is from an open CV library. So we're going to feed one of our images into this method. And it's going to help test our images out for us. But we'll go over more details tomorrow with this particular subject as we move forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.